Welcome back to Fab Fun. It's time to work on this. Try to come up with a fix. The C channel here is not quite heavy duty enough and it's starting to twist it and popping the welds loose on the ends. So I want to replace that with something a little bit heavier and get back to using it. Terrible. Well, I got some good weld on that. Not great. But then I noticed over here, got a weld cracking on the quick attach plate that I fabbed up. We'll touch that up. Well, it looks to be working pretty good. It clamped down this load of low limbs that I cut off some trees to mow. And in the process of trying to cut down some stuff around my grandfather's property, I cut into a holly tree, got it down, cut into the next one, and got swarmed by some yellow jackets and had to backpedal a little bit. Didn't realize there were so many of them, and I kept getting stung. And realized there was a giant swarm coming out, so I went inside and got all the yellow jackets off of him. He got stung a few times, and the saw was still running. and it's still stuck in the tree, so I can't get close enough to get the saw out because the saw vibrating and making noise is stirring up the yellow jackets, so I'm stuck, waiting for the saw to die and the swarm to die down.